I'm Sean Betty. I'm the founder of Infinite Networks. I established the company in 1999 as a small group of hardworking, ambitious individuals. We started in the structured cabling industry, but also we've branched out into data center, audiovisual systems, and wireless systems. We're now a global service provider and work with enterprise-level customers to meet their needs.
We are a professional service group made up of engineers and technicians with multi-trade skill sets that can do anything from installing and powering a TV on the wall all the way up to building, designing data centers in corporate offices.
At Infinite Networks, we work with a lot of different types of companies. Our proven process is really just our methodology of being able to successfully understand first what our customers' needs are. And that may vary in different verticals or different industries. The next part of the process is understanding how do we get there, identifying and qualifying resources to be able to do the installation. And then also our team is really experienced at managing the implementation and installations through to 100% completion. Over the past 20 plus years, we've established a global deployment strategy that's been really important to our success. And this includes working with regional partners and having our lead technicians and project engineers establish a method to be able to maintain the standards across multiple regions. As an example, a conference room in Sydney, Australia is built the same standard as a conference room in San Francisco. So when the IT department gets a call, something's not working, they understand how it's built.
The industry is rapidly changing. The technology that helps deliver that high-speed data to the end user, be it in the corporate office or even at home, is constantly changing.
The trend of people working remotely from home, that's definitely changed the way that we're implementing technology. We're also here to help with consulting around helping develop the standards for remote workers. We work with a lot of our customers in the partner capacity, where we are pretty much part of their team. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision. What we want to convey to our customers is that we're here to help them reach their goals.